Good morning, everybody. Let's see here. With the looks like the SPY may open up a little bit. Well, I suspect right in this area. There's still 15 minutes to go. So 141.30 is where I have it at now. So it looks like around the T line, give or take a penny or two there. I think it's going to be important today that we stay above the T line. Now, I mentioned that yesterday that I'd be perfectly happy if we closed near the T line yesterday, because that would just show confirmation on our bullish engulf here of Friday. One of the big problems that I see is if you take a look at the transports, that was a pretty ugly candle yesterday. Bears control the short term below the T line now, and we're back below the big three, the 20, the 34, and the 50-day moving averages. So this could be a clue of what might be what we might be looking for. So by the end of the day, I think it's important we close back up over that T line. Keep that bullish engulf intact. If that bullish engulf does start to break with today moving down, and if we're going to come down and retest this level here, I'm afraid we might see that 34. So T line is important right now, very, very important. Okay, with that, let's take a look at some stock picks. TIVO. Let's see here. You think I have enough junk on this chart? Let's get rid of some of it. There we go. TIVO. TIVO is one of those that have come out of that rounded bottom breakout. It's rallied up, consolidated to a J hook up, consolidated J hook up, and now it's consolidating, and we've got two candles here that looks like maybe starting that J hook back up. Our target is always the 200-day moving average. SVU, that's on that rounded bottom breakout under the 200. The 200 is always our target. SVU, we have a pinball setup working here. We have a bullish kicker gap up, consolidated yesterday. We're holding above the T line, kind of playing around with the 20 simple. We're looking for the 34 as our first target, then the 50. That's just basic pinball rules. Want to be a buyer as long as we stay over the T line. A close below the T line, you want to be out of this. I'm sorry. LSI. LSI is a J hook setup. We've come from a bottom, rallied up, pulled back to the 20. We've got a little hammer doji gap up over the T line now. We're looking for that breakout scenario. Takes us up over these highs, and then we can stretch up, reach for some of these swing highs over here. Nice J hook formation right here. And CHMT. CHMT is another J hook formation coming from a big bullish engulf consolidation yesterday. We're looking for follow through. You can see where we're coming from here. I always like to go back and look and where did we come from? What was it? Something that you can look at and visually say, okay, that's a pretty good bottom, and that's what I see here. Little bullish Hiromi, which that by itself is no big deal. Even this little run here is no big deal. This is what I think the big deal is. This bearish engulf and then an absolute reversal back up, and then rallied up, and now we're just having a little bit of a pullback, and now we're looking for that J hook breakout there. TRMB. TRMB closed up over the 200 very nice yesterday. A little J hook looking scenario. This is a buy on strength up. Wouldn't be afraid to buy it on anything down to the 200-day moving average, anything to the right here, and then follow it up with a stop. YPF I think was watch list yesterday, I believe. On the watch list today, I think it's acting good. As long as it's acting good, we'll keep it there, and as long as it's not too high. So YPF Friday handled itself well, had a good close yesterday. We're looking for continued follow through on this YPF. XNPT, another J-hook scenario. We've got a little doji bullish candle coming off pretty much the 20-day simple moving average. Lows are close to the same. We're looking for that follow through. Nice trending chart. No reason to think it's not going to continue up. And what we're looking for is a breakout above these levels right in here. So PBO buyers, we're looking for an inside buy here. Breakout buyers, you're looking for a buy on strength over yesterday's candle. GDOT, that's also been on the watch list. That's a pinball play. I know there's several of us long on this right now. What we're looking for is a breakout of the box right here. A breakout of this I guess it's kind of an orange box. Then what we're going to look for is that rally up to the 34 exponential moving average. So far it's holding the 20, holding the T-line. We just need that little goose to get it up, and then I think the buyers will really start stepping in, and that may start to pay us a little bit of money. The featured stock pick for today is ERF. ERF coming out of the rounded bottom breakout. You can see where it's rallied up, it pulled back, rallied up, pulled back, rallied up. Well, it's pulling back again, and now it's sitting there at the T-line. I would use a T-line stop. For the breakout buyers, you're looking at breakout over to yesterday's high, $16.22. PBO buyers, you're looking to get it inside here if you can. I see it's trading right now at 1603. You might get a little intraday tail in here based on where I see it opening. So if we get that little an intraday low, then I'll look to buy it in this area. If not, I'll have to take it up here. Our first target, let's see, what is that? First target about this 1753, 56. Yeah, 56 right in here. And then the second target will look up here at the 200-day moving average. I know there's been several traders that's been in this, already in this, or maybe still in this. If that's the case, I would stay with it right now. Looks like a nice chart if you got into it down here on the rounded bottom breakout. As a reminder, tonight is member e-learning, 8 o'clock Eastern. Hope to see everybody here. Tomorrow night will be public e-learning. It will be open to the public. We have a 3-day holiday coming up this weekend, so that could play a little part on the way the market acts. And okay. Thanks very much. Good trading to everybody. Remember to put money in your pocket. Watch the transports today. Could cause a little bit of weakness in the market. We'll see how the close is. Good trading, and I'll be back in about 8 minutes.